Daikin India, Ice and Charlie Arora, extend a very warm and cordial welcome to everyone who is here with us. What a moment this is! What a moment this is! The jersey shines bright, and this is our captain joining us here, Gautam, followed by the entire team of India Capitals. Thank you very much. We'll be requesting them right here, straight away onto this grand stage. Let's give it up for them. It's such a special moment. People we have always looked up to years into cricket. These are some of the legends we can never forget from all across the world who make a part of this great team in which Daikin and GMR have come together to make this possible. Let's give it up, give it up, give it up for all the players who are here with us.
Sri Lanka, so playing against India is fun, and also as Jack said, playing for India Capitals, where we have had a long relationship with, and also I've heard that Daikin is part of this wonderful concept for long years. And as Gautam said, hopefully this partnership will continue and blossom, and hopefully next season would be Delhi Capitals' first season of getting that IPL.
Well, that's quite easy. I had two cricketing heroes growing up. The one was Chris Gayle, because I like to see the ball getting hit.
Absolutely.
Well, I would say we have the best cricketers right now in our team.
I'm just probably go to the gym 2-3 times a week.
That's it? 2-3 times a week?
A week, yeah.
Wow.
Back home playing, we only practice 2 days a week, which is Thursday and Tuesday. So it's just a simple routine. Hit balls 2 days a week and gym 3 times.
Very unfair question in a team sport that if I can't pick 2 people, but
The funny ones.
funny ones.
Yeah, not the ones who play great cricket, because they are all great.
Probably Maha, because I've played a lot of cricket with him.
Okay, that's one.
Maroop is
And
one. Dinesh.
Daikin and the sport of cricket share a bond that has become special in many, many ways. Don't know how and when it matured with Mr. Gautam Gambhir. And this is a rock-hard relationships, and we are very touched to have him here again today with us.
Good morning, Javaji, and the members of the Daikin team, members of the Sarthi team, and our own Indian Capitals.